Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tower Love. You already know, it's your girl. I am back with another video. Today I am just talking about the recent program that I recently joined for a weight loss. But the name of the program is called 30 Days Transformation. I found them on Instagram. I don't know if anybody a lot of people have heard of it. I'm doing a follow-up video on like my progress, pictures, all of those things on my next video. So let's get right into it. 30 Day Transformation. What is 30 Day Transformation? So 30 Day Transformation is as simple as it is, which is transformation your body. Transform your body. If you're skinny, sorry about the accent, but if you're skinny and you want to get weight, they have that plan. If you're a little bit obese or just want to lose some weight, you can get that too. If you're like me and you're thickum but you want that curve, you want that flat stomach and the hips to come out, and that smooth arms and everything, they have that plan as well, which is the plan that I joined. It's Fit Curve. So I want to get that stomach and everything flattened down and popping. That's the plan that I joined. So the program has two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 and phase 2. There's two phases. That's what I meant to do. So phase 1 is basically detox. You're detoxing, you're drinking some tea, apple cider vinegar, all those things. And phase 2, you're back to eating regular food, and you're working out as well. So phase 1, you're also working out. Both phases, you're working out. And about this program, they pretty much create a plan for you based on your body type, I think. And you just go out, buy your groceries, do your meal plan and work out, and then send them an update pictures of your weight as well and your measurements as well every 6 days. So that's the plan. The reason why I'm doing this video, it's because 30 Day Transformation so far has been great because they opened my eyes to some things, like eating certain foods that will help you in burning more calories and will help you get that curve you want, like avocado, almond butter, those little things that I didn't know before that I'm learning about now. So they've definitely opened my eyes to certain things. So I'm just gonna talk about pros and cons, let me say. So pro of this program is that you get a layout meal plan and you get a workout plan, and if you don't like certain things, they also have substitute that you can go and buy and make. So they have that. What else is another pro that I like about them? I like that you can upload the pictures every 6 days and report your weight and your measurements, so they keep track of like how much weight you lost so far and all that stuff. So that's another pro. I can't think of any other pro right now, but if I find one, I'll say it. But con, let's get to con. So the con is that, first of all, they only communicate through email. I'm not an email person, but paying that much for your program and you can't even have any like communication but through texting and like writing emails. Like I do that for work. I don't want to do that for my weight loss. Like I don't know, that's just my preference anyway. They don't even respond for 24 hours or 48 hours. So even if you send an email right there, they're not gonna reply to you right there. So that's one of the cons that I absolutely can't stand. And another thing is that I feel like the program is not really like realistic to your reality, let me say. So your reality, let's say you go to work from 6 or 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. Are you gonna be getting up every 2 hours, especially if you don't have an office job where you're in the office all day, every 28 hours to eat food, to eat your meal? I know when I had an office job, I wasn't able to do that because I was constantly out seeing clients, and driving to go to my next client's house. So to be, and all those food are cooked food. They're not cold food that you can just eat a sandwich on the road and say you're done. Like, this is something that you need to microwave because you didn't done your meal prep already. So it's like your reality doesn't really allow you to be able to eat every 2.5 hours. So I'm able to do that right now because I'm not working right now. So it's like, but even then, most majority of the time I'm not home. I'm running errands. I'm doing things for my sisters, or I'm going to the library to go study. And it's just like little things like that that I am bound to miss a few meal. If not one meal, at least 2 meal. And they recommend that you can drink a protein shake to substitute, but you can only substitute 1 meal. So if you miss 2 meal, you only substitute 1 meal with your protein shake. So it's like, yeah, I'm still not home though. Like, it's just little things like that that I kind of find like as a con. I think what I want to say about the meal plan is it's a great meal plan for, if you're gonna lose that weight, you meet that goal, you lose that weight. But like, there's some healthy food that I completely enjoy, and there's some that I cannot stand. So I just had to modify my meal plan a little bit because I'm like, at this point, I'm starting to waste money because there's some days where I will just don't want to eat because I know I don't want that food. I don't want to taste it. That's not what I want. Especially when I'm going through my monthly circle. Like, no, I'm not putting that food in my system because I have cravings. Like, I get really bad cravings when I'm on my period. So it's like, So pretty much I just had to do some research, and I'm like, how do I get over this? Because I know my body, I know who I am, I know what I like to eat. What adjustments can I make? And then just like, if you know the healthy food that you want to eat and it makes you happy, go for it. Do that meal plan. Make sure it's as healthy as possible, but you're not overdoing it with like steak. None of that. Like, let me give you an example. I pretty much modified my plan by doing tilapia with sweet potatoes. Like, I baked in the oven, and because I'm like, I love sweet potatoes. I'm not a big fan of tilapia, but I will eat it with broccoli, sweet potatoes, and tilapia together. So I was able to modify my own meal plan that way, because now I ate some of it today and I was like, yes. I felt good. I got up off the couch. So I try to do like videos on when I'm like struggling to get out of bed to go to the gym. And that's another thing. Like, I work out pretty much 5 days a week because in my plan I'm supposed to work out twice a day, bruh. In the plan, it's also recommended that I drink at least 1.5 gallon of water. So this is like 64 ounces, which is about 2 bottles of this is a gallon. So if I want to drink 1.5, probably be 3 bottles of this, but I try to get to at least 2 if I don't get an early start on my water drinking. So yeah, this bottle, get yourself one. And I forgot to talk about this that I take to the gym, my body shaper that I wear to the gym. I found this on Instagram. I try to find the link and put it in the description below if you guys want one of this for your workout. But I only use it for cardio. I don't use it for weightlifting or when I'm doing like a personal training class because it hurts. I tried doing that once and I almost fainted because it was like blocking so much airway from like my nose down to my lungs. So it's not recommended when you're doing intense workout to wear this because you just pass out. So cardio, not bad if you're not doing like a fast cardio. If you're just doing like a moderate cardio, is good for this because it still does its job. But yeah, it's really good. I really like it. And it's washable. You can just put it in the washer and you wash it and hair dry it. I don't put it in the dryer. So I just sit and get up and dry it whenever I use it. And before I go to the gym, I actually bought some supplement that they recommended. Vitamin C for your immune system. So I bought this. I got both of them from Walmart. So you guys can check out Walmart. And I also got CLA. This is for your body shaping support. So because I want my curve, y'all get it? So I'm taking this too. Every morning. I take it after my workout when I'm eating my breakfast. So when I'm eating my egg whites, I'll take 2 of this, just my egg whites and a bunch of water. That's my morning routine. If you guys are thinking about joining this plan, definitely go ahead. If you are if you don't mind writing emails, if you're just fine with giving instructions and just following those instructions, this plan is definitely for you. But if you are more of a personal person, like you like your face-to-face, you like your phone call away type of, health support, might not be for you, because that's me. And I'm just like, I already paid for it, it's not refundable. Sure. And that's the reason why I started this in the first place. It's not because of them, it's because of me. It's because I want to change my lifestyle. It's because I want to change my body. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and share. It's your girl Taiwo Love. I am out. I'll see you guys next time.